Most people think RC gadgets are just toys, but that's far from the truth. Today's RC machines pack high-speed motors, smart sensors, and advanced engineering that feels straight out of the future. And in this video, we're revealing some of the most powerful RC gadgets you can actually buy. I'm Miraz, and this is Miraz Tech. Subscribe and let's dive in. Let's start with something that feels almost alive, the RC bird. Imagine holding a controller and watching a bird flap its wings, glide through the air, and swoop down just like the real thing. It's not just a toy, it's a piece of engineering that mimics nature with surprising accuracy. The RC bird is perfect for anyone who's ever dreamed of flying alongside birds or showing off something unique at the park. Kids love it because it feels magical, and adults love it because it's a conversation starter. Picture yourself at a picnic releasing this bird into the sky, and everyone around stops to watch in amazement. That's the kind of wow factor this gadget brings, combining fun, realism, and pure spectacle. Now shifting gears, literally, to the LEGO Technic vehicle. This isn't your average LEGO build, it's a detailed mechanical masterpiece that lets you construct a vehicle with moving parts, gears, and realistic functions. The fun here isn't just in building, it's in learning how mechanics work while you play. You can see how gears connect, how suspension works, and how design translates into motion. It's like having a mini engineering lab right on your desk. And once you've built it, you can proudly display it or take it for a spin. It's the perfect blend of creativity, learning, and play. For anyone who loves tinkering, this gadget is pure joy and a reminder of how play can spark curiosity about real-world engineering. From building blocks to flipping madness, the Air Hogs flipping frenzy. This RC car doesn't just drive, it flips, spins, and keeps going even when upside down. Imagine the thrill of racing it across the floor, hitting a wall, and instead of stopping, it flips over and keeps racing. It's chaos in the best way possible. The design makes it nearly indestructible, so you don't have to worry about crashes or damage. It's the kind of gadget that keeps kids entertained for hours, and honestly, even adults can't resist trying to pull off wild stunts. It's like having a stunt show in your living room with endless tricks and laughter guaranteed. Speaking of speed and stunts, let's talk about the Traxxas VXL. This is not just a toy, it's a beast. With insane speed, advanced suspension, and rugged design, it's built for serious RC enthusiasts. Imagine tearing across dirt tracks, jumping ramps, and leaving dust trails behind. The Slash VXL is all about adrenaline and raw excitement. It's the kind of gadget that makes you feel like a professional racer, even if you're just in your backyard. And because it's built tough, it can handle rough terrain without breaking a sweat. If you've ever wanted to experience the thrill of racing without stepping into a real car, this is your ticket to high-octane fun.
Now, let's take things off-road and into the water with the Amphibious RC Car. This gadget is like a superhero. It drives on land, splashes into water, and keeps going without hesitation. Imagine racing it across your driveway, then straight into a puddle or even a pool and watching it glide like a boat. It's the ultimate all-terrain vehicle in miniature form. Perfect for adventurous kids or anyone who loves testing limits, the Amphibious RC Car makes every environment a playground. It's not just fun, it's freedom to explore anywhere, whether it's mud, grass, or water, and that versatility makes it unforgettable. And speaking of freedom, here's a gadget that will make Transformers fans lose their minds, the Robosen Optimus Prime. This isn't just a model, it's a fully programmable, voice-controlled robot that transforms on its own. Imagine saying, "Optimus Prime, transform," and watching it shift from truck to robot right before your eyes. It's like having a piece of the movie in your living room. Beyond the wow factor, it's also educational. You can program movements, learn coding basics, and interact with one of the most iconic characters ever. It's nostalgia, tech, and play all rolled into one epic gadget, and it feels like owning a piece of cinematic history. From robots to raw power, the monster truck. This RC monster is built to crush obstacles, jump over ramps, and dominate any terrain. It's big, bold, and loud in the best way. Imagine setting up a mini obstacle course with cans, boxes, or even small toys, and watching the monster truck plow through like a champion. It's the kind of gadget that makes you feel unstoppable. Whether you're racing with friends or just enjoying the sheer power, the monster truck delivers pure excitement and rugged fun that never gets old. Now, let's add a twist with the Hogs Gravitor. This isn't your typical RC gadget. It actually floats in the air, controlled by your hand movements. No remote needed. Imagine tossing it up and guiding it with just a wave of your hand. It feels futuristic, almost like magic. The Gravitor is perfect for indoor fun, parties, or just showing off something unique. It's lightweight, safe, and endlessly entertaining. It's one of those gadgets that makes people say, "Wait, how is that even possible?" and then immediately want to try it themselves.
And if you thought tanks were only for battlefields, think again. The RC car tank brings that power to your backyard. With tracks instead of wheels, it can handle rough terrain, climb over obstacles, and even rotate like a real tank. It's not just about driving, it's about strategy and control. You can set up challenges, navigate tricky paths, and feel like a commander in charge. It's rugged, powerful, and incredibly fun. For anyone who loves military-inspired gadgets, this one is a must-have, offering both play and a taste of tactical adventure. Finally, let's end with something that takes RC flying to the next level, the E-flite Eratix 3D FF. This isn't just a plane, it's a stunt machine. Designed for aerobatics, it can perform flips, rolls, and daring maneuvers in the sky. Imagine launching it into the air and pulling off tricks that make it look like a professional air show. It's lightweight, precise, and built for thrill seekers. Flying it feels like controlling a piece of art in motion. For anyone who loves aviation or just wants to experience the joy of flight, this gadget is pure exhilaration and a breathtaking showcase of skill. So, there you have it. 10 incredible gadgets, each with its own unique charm, from birds that fly to cars that swim, robots that transform, and planes that dance in the sky. Which gadget amazed you the most? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to Miraz Tech for more epic gadget explorations. Stay curious, stay excited, and I'll see you in the next one.